Scooters, come out and play, yay! Hello YouTube, welcome back to the shop. In this fun episode of What's in Yours, we are going to be exploring two off-road or two on-road. That is the question. So let's get into it. Okay folks, just like anything in life, we have compromises. To have off-road tires or on-road tires, it's always a hard decision, and it's not always an easy swap out. This off-road tire that I put in the back was kind of hard to change. To take this tire off, especially on this 11-inch scooter, of course you take out this bracket, the brake caliper, and then this tire is wedged in between these two swing arms. So what you have to do is you have to unloosen these 10mm Allen key bolts, and you don't have to take the bolts all the way out, but you have to loosen them enough to get a little bit of play here so this tire can drop out. These are 18mm bolts, and I'm sure anybody with 11-inch scooter, it's fairly similar. Of course, it's going to differ from model to model. But so I said, well, you know what? Instead of changing the on-road and off-road tires, whatever conditions I'm in, I said, you know what, let me put a off-road tire on the back and a on-road tire on the front. Now, I haven't tested this out yet. I just put this tire on. So I'm gonna be doing some testing with speed, noise level, have the grip when I'm off-road, and then still have a little bit of comfort because I'm keeping the street tire on the front. Now, I'm gonna take it easy at first, because I don't know how this is going to perform, but it's worth testing, because when you're riding your scooter, it's not always going to be paved surfaces. Sometimes you're going to need to move over and get in the grass or get in the gravel, or you just might want to go hit a trail real quick. And with street tires, even though these are 11 inches, you still get a lot of slipping in there. So I'm hoping, in theory, this will give me the best of both worlds. So we're going to be testing that out. Now the tires I got, these tires came from Nanrobot. They were about $40 a piece. They're the 90 65-6.5. The 90 is 11-inch tire. The 65 means 2.5 inch on the inside, and then the 6.5 is the diameter of the rim. And these are CST tires. Now these off-road tires I purchased off of DHgate. Took about a week to get here, I think. I might have paid a little bit extra for shipping, but they have the same exact specs, and then the inner tubes as well. It's exactly the same. So I do have options of switching tires to off-road or on-road, which I like about this scooter. But we're going to try to see if we can have the best of both worlds. I'm going to go out and do some test ride and take some video of that. So stay tuned. All right, here we are outside with the off-road, on-road tire. We're gonna go for a spin and see what it feels like and run it through its paces. Okay, so I definitely felt a little bit more vibration in the back because of the knobby tires, but as far as speed and handling, it was pretty good. I was able to get up to 38 miles an hour. So let's go do some off-road testing and see how it performs. All right, we're here on some kind of gravel and dirt driveway here. So let's go ahead and see how this performs with doing a little bit of off-road. Okay folks, so good so far. The off-road tire works pretty good. My handling is pretty solid. I didn't really see much difference on the street. A little bit of vibration in the back, but that's to be expected. I did get a little bit of better grip off-road, and I still got a little bit of the smoothness from the street tire in the front. So I'm gonna leave these tires on for now, and I'm gonna continue testing. So stay tuned for some updates on how these tires perform. All right, well that concludes this video. As always, if you like this video, please subscribe, like, hit the bell notification button, and until next time, ride safe.